Thank you for joining me in today's practice to calm your mind and deepen your intuition. We will be performing Ujjayi Pranayama, taking these victorious breaths. If you're not sure how to do it, please refer to our video tutorial on the top right corner that explains Ujjayi Pranayama in depth. Otherwise, let's dedicate this precious time together to your health, well-being, and finding a moment of stillness and peace. So if you're ready, let us begin. Find a quiet place to sit down or lay down comfortably. If you're seated, place your hands on your knees in jnana or chin mudra, where you connect thumb and index finger together. Or just leave the palms open facing upwards. Close your eyes and keep breathing in and out through the nose. Take a long inhalation into the belly. Move that air up to the chest. Slowly release it all. Let it go with your gentle exhalation. Keep taking these full yogic breaths throughout today's practice. And give yourself and your mind permission to settle in to this present moment. Now, as you feel the rise and fall of every inhalation and exhalation, let us now prepare for the first round of Ujjayi victorious breaths. We will first begin to breathe deeply, and later we will slow down the breath. Exhale completely, contract the throat, and inhale. Keep taking these victorious breaths. Feel the light pressure in the throat. No need to force any sounds. Only you should hear and feel the ocean rhythm as you inhale and exhale. Now start to slow down your breath. Feel the air entering through your nose. Picture the breath filled with positivity, peace, and harmony flowing down to your lungs and spreading it to every part of your body. Exhale, letting your breath melt away all that you no longer need. Take 2 more breaths. Now relax the throat. Let go of the breath and let it flow naturally. Scan through the body and notice how you're feeling. It may not be anything big or major. Just connect to the subtle sensations within. Now for the second round of these Ujjayi breaths, while we contract the throat, we will also repeat a powerful mantra that will deepen your connection to your true self, your intuition. Don't say this out loud, just visualize it and say it inwardly in your mind. The mantra is So Hum. I am that. When you inhale, you will think so. And when you exhale, you will think hum. So start off now with an exhalation. Contract the throat, and as you inhale, say inwardly, so. Exhale, hum. As you continue focusing on the mantra, make these victorious breaths slower. Keeping your awareness on the mantra and feeling this ocean rhythm that your breath is creating. Now take your last 3 breaths like this. Last inhalation, hold the breath, relax the throat, and gently exhale. Let go of any control of the breath and just observe. Observe the subtle sensations in your face, your head, your neck, now move your awareness down to your arm, hand, fingers, feeling the blood flowing. Now to the other arm, hand, and fingers. Now bring your awareness to your heart center, your source of intuition, wisdom, and a higher intelligence. Listen to it. Connect to its strength. In times of uncertainty and self-doubt, know that you have this strength, this light within that is protecting you and guiding you to exactly where you need to be. If there is something you need guidance or clarity on, think of it now. Tell yourself, I am open to all that I receive. Everything I am seeking, I will find. Inhale. Exhale. Surrender to your breath. feel free to stay where you are in this peaceful presence, or if you're ready to close this practice with me, slowly begin to move the fingers. Rub the hands together and place your hands on your heart. Just feel its strength. It's protecting you and guiding you always. Now rub the hands together again, and this time generate a sense of gratitude. Place your hands together, bring your thumbs to the middle of your eyebrows, and bow down and thank yourself for taking the time out of your day to do something that is good for your well-being. Thank you for allowing me to guide you. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Namaste.